So how do you put something in the Files app on the iPhone? Let's talk about it. So if you're new on this channel, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the videos and tutorials like this one. Okay, so you can put almost anything into the Files app, but you need to at first locate it where it's right now. A great example is the photos within the Photos app. You can open up the app and check out your photos or videos. And when you just make it go full screen, you can tap the share button. And from the options, you have the ability to save it to files, right? So you move it from the Photos app to the Files app. In here, you get to pick the exact location and everything, but it will then appear within the files. Of course, if you have the files somewhere in like a different app or a different place, another great example would be the email, right? Because you have plenty of attachments and stuff going on in your email. And again, if you open up some attachment like this, you'll be able to click on share as usual and then click save to files, right? So usually you can do it. It depends on where exactly like you are or what exactly you're doing, but usually just locate the share button and find the ability to click the save to files button and it will just move it there, right? So that's how you can do this. As I said, almost all file types are going to be supported and work, so let me know if it works for you as well. For more tutorials and videos like this one, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next upcoming videos, and I'll see you later.